Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your Ashita from my channel Ashita the Related. I make videos related to DIY, art, craft, lifestyle, fashion, food, travel, hairstyle and much more. You can check out in my bio. Guys, today in this video is all about my product review, and here goes my product. It's from Good Vibes and the flavor is Rose Hip. It's a face serum. Guys, I think this Good Vibes serums is becoming most popular nowadays because I saw this serum in most of the advertisement where people are reviewing this and thought like, let me try this once. Then after usage of 1 month, I found this really effective, so I thought of reviewing this in today's video. Let me start reviewing this, like how you can use this, what are the benefits and what are the demerits. Then without any further ado, let's get started into the video. Friends, first we should know what do we mean by face serum. Face serum or a kind of lightweight moisturizer which penetrates to your skin deeper to deliver any kind of active ingredients which is present in your skin. Guys, you can see the box here, Good Vibes, and it's a flavor of Rose Hip. This serum is particularly for smoothening of your skin and radiant glow, and this is a pack of 30 ml. Here the ingredients has been given like rosehip oil, sesame oil, almond oil, vitamin E, etc. And let me open this box. You can see this is what looks like, and this is the one where you can apply this serum. And guys, this serum doesn't have any kind of parabens ka matlab it doesn't have any chemicals, and here it's being given like what are the benefits and how you can use this. And even the smell is like a rose petal one. It's, as I said you before, it's natural one, there is no parabens. And here the price MRP is 400 bucks. You'll get this for 399, 400. I think it's better option to buy this in any kind of season sale in Amazon or Flipkart. You'll get this for cheaper. Friends, let us know what are the benefits of this. After using this, my skin felt it is smoother. By application only you'll get to know how smooth your skin is. Guys, in the box itself it is mentioned as it maintains our skin for elasticity and smoothness, and infused with rosehip extracts which helps our skin for brightening purpose. Friends, I have been washed up of my face. Now I gonna apply 2 to 3 drops of face serum all over my face, then gently massage onto the skin with my fingertips. I massage it gently until it absorbs. Massage all over your face with using our fingertips. Once you feel it's absorbed, it's done now. This is how you can use this. Friends, let us know the demerits of this. When you apply this serum to your face, if you found any kind of irritation, itching or any kind of acne found in your skin, just stop using there itself, because in the box itself it is mentioned and natural ingredients may be irritating to some people. Always conduct a bath test before use. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like, share, subscribe. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you.